I am Tanterruous Johnson. I am part owner of three of us of DDT Welding and Fabrication.
Hi, my name's Dez Ingram. I am a foreman and the owner of DDT Welding and Fabrication. Jack from Hardin Middle School in Lakewood wrote, "My question for you is, how did you learn to become a welder? Did you have to go to college or take special classes?" Yeah, I went to Lakeland Community College over in Kirtland, Ohio. I was there for, I want to say, about 2.5 years for welding school. And after that, I got a good job to start travel welding after that.
What is your favorite part about your job? Why did you pick this job? Well, pick the job. Let's go back to the beginning. I picked the job because I'm a country guy. I like using my hands, and when I was young, I didn't really have anything I wanted to do, that I had a knowledge of wanting to do. And when I saw that, I'm like, hey, they pay good money, and it's all about your skills, so it's good for me. Saving the day. Most times welders save days. So I think my favorite part is actually when the big bosses come to you and they know, like, if anybody can do it, this guy can. And that's, like, for me, that's like one of the best feelings about this all.
Richard from Strongsville Middle School wanted to know, what are your most common things you weld? The normal welding, like metals we mostly do is carbon steel, but we also do like aluminum steel and stainless steel. For as what we're actually welding, from when I was a travel welder for the past 6-7 years, we were traveling around the country welding storage tanks for like gasoline and crude oil for like refineries. But nowadays we're just in our shop welding whatever people might need to be fixed.
Camden, how does welding work? Welding is basically the process of joining two metals together by melting the metal. What makes you a good welder is when you can basically fuse those two metals together and make it look pretty.
So we got Isabel from St. Mary's in Sandusky asks, how hot does it need to be for metals to stick together? That is extremely hot. I think the average, like if you're doing stick welding, what we mostly do, it's around 9,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 5,000 degrees Celsius.
This is a crazy answer. The outermost layer of the sun, that's the heat of welding. We're talking anywhere from 5,000 degrees to 9,000 degrees. No, from 9,000 degrees to 5,000 degrees Celsius. 5,000 Celsius. We're talking the core of the earth, volcanic type heats here. In which, honestly, like the question that you gave, I saw it earlier, and I did my research on it, and I was like, this question I didn't really know. I didn't want that one. Me and my friends, the other owners, you made us be like, oh man, that's a great question. And then the answer it gave us, we was like, oh man, that explains so much. Because you gotta think, when you welding, you're gonna weld at least like a foot. It's gonna take you at least like 3 minutes to weld. So for 3 minutes, you're like a foot and a half away from 5,000, 9,000 degrees. Lava. Something to think about.